Hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. So today is a new day and with a new destination I'm heading towards. So today we have reached to Sidlaghata, which is Ammana Kere. Basically this place is not famous for birding, but due to the white stork record, we have come over here. So while coming to this place, we have got a lot of fog in the morning time. So thankfully, fog is no more right now. You can see this clear, beautiful clear sky and nice weather. So we are really hoping for the stork, white stork basically, which is very much rare, you guys know. So let's see whether we can get it or not. Just wish me luck there. Chalo, I will show you around. So guys, wanted to see you this beautiful lake over here. It's lake basically, but most of the part are dried out there. And in this area, you can see that pretty much water is there, and people are fishing. A lot of people are fishing. Local people are fishing over here. And so guys, from Bangalore, this area is 70 kilometer through the highway, and you have to cross that airport, and after that Chikballapur will be coming. So you can find this Ammana Kere in the map. Proper location is there. So guys, this Ammana Kere, I love this place because of its landscape. Okay, by the naked eyes, this is looking very beautiful. Until and unless you come over here, you won't imagine that how beautiful is that. I can see few wood sandpiper is there, and white-browed wachtel there. It is flying around, and you can see one greater egret, right, sitting over there. And this place is famous for white-eyed buzzard also, and blue-tailed bee-eater also. We'll go that side for stork and other species. So guys, I love this landscape because it has a resemblance with the landscape of Bigwan sometimes, and sometimes Boshipota, which is there in West Bengal, which is very famous place there for birding. Kannada theriyade. Ships are there, guys. It's just wool, This is a wool. Ooh. Okay, let's not disturb them while eating. Have a good time, buddies. So guys, the white stork has been spotted there. It's standing in far. So we're very lucky. I don't know whether you can see it in my mobile camera or not. I'll try to zoom. There you can see this white, right? This one. This is the white stork. So let's go and get the picture. There it is. So this is our most exclusive birder, and he has spotted this white stork today. Thank you so much, Anubhav.
No problem.
And that is our another birder friend, Abhishek. No, carry on. So two are there, guys. One is here and another one is there. It's foraging there, over there. You can see, right? It's a big bird. So guys, it was an easy search for today to get that stock. There are two basically, and I heard that three came over here and two we have seen. So have got the video and pictures also. So have a look. So we have done our birding today. Within 3 hours, we have got pretty much good species, which we haven't even, expected. But yeah, we are really thankful to the Mother Nature that we have got the stork. Basically, for that reason only, we have come over here and we have got this along with some another species. Yeah. So I hope you like this video, and whoever haven't come here from Bangalore for birding, they can come over here and hope for few other birds as well. So guys, see you in another video. Till then, raise humanity, spread peace.